The doctor and staff at JAWNT Oral Surgery really made me feel extremely comfortable with the relaxed atmosphere, the way they spoke to me. Their sense of humor was top tier. It made me feel like I was in a family setting, like I was one of the gang, like I was part of the family. And that's the thing that really made me feel at ease the entire time. My name is Wesley Eagle. The treatment I received was 2 extractions of both wisdom teeth on my left side. First walking into the office, obviously there is some sort of apprehension regardless of what's gonna happen. But as soon as I spoke with the staff, I was put at ease. During the procedure, we laughed, we talked, they numbed me up and then pulled those puppies out in less than 10 minutes. It was seamless, it was quick, it was painless. After the extraction at JAWNT Oral Surgery, my life has been loads better. I brush my teeth with the greatest of ease. I can speak much more clearly, and I'm happy through and through. If I had a friend that needed some sort of extraction similar to myself and were going through the pain that I was going through, I would immediately recommend JAWNT Oral Surgery, just due to the simple fact that it is speedy, it is efficient, and it takes care of all of the issues that you had in the blink of an eye. Regardless of what you're going through, JAWNT Oral Surgery and the staff here, the amazing, phenomenal staff here, as well as the fantastic doctors here, will definitely take care of you. You will leave with a smile on your face, guaranteed.